Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do the F80 brakes today. I'm just getting the nuts loose on the wheel so I can take this off and get right to it. So I'm using a 11/16 socket with a breaker bar just to get them loose, and then I use my ratchet real quick to just loosen them up, get the tire off, and then we'll get to the fun part. All right guys, tires off. So let's do the fun part. Somebody cash me out. Anybody want some 6/6 shadow lines, let me know. So here's a caliper. Looking dirty. I need to get these painted. I really want to do right on these. That look fire. So what we're gonna do now is disconnect the sensor over here. And it's on some clips, so just unclip it real quick, and then we'll take this little nut off. A little compartment for the sensor where it's gonna connect. So it has clips like where to connect your sensor back to when you're all done, so it's not in the way dangling and stuff. So we'll get to that right now. We'll just connect the sensor and I'll show you guys the little door. All right, cool. So we got the nut off. There's a little compartment, so you just pull it off. It snaps off. And over here, you guys can see, yeah. So over here, it's like a little door for the sensors, and this is where they connect. All right, guys. So we got the little door open. It's just a little door, and here are your brake sensors. So we're just gonna follow the one we need, which is over here. Let me see. It's over here. Right over here. There's like a lot of little other brackets. And it's this one. Right over here. Just follow it. Disconnect it. Connect it back. So we just fished out the brake sensor, and I got it over here now. So I hit the pins in. 2 pins. I got a little. Just hit it, and in the back, you guys can see it. No, you guys can't. So in the back, they pop out. Just got some channel locks. Pull them all the way through, and then we'll get the brakes out. So I didn't record this part, but there's like it's where your brake pads go. And here's that sensor. Just wiggle them out. What do you guys think? You guys think I needed brake pads or nah? They could have gone a couple more 100 miles, huh? I got the sensor out. This is the sensor right there. Just gonna clean up the caliper real quick. These are the pins that go in and out. So I'm gonna clean them out right now with some brake cleaner and some mesh. Make them so it can go in smoother. I got the brand new brake pads right here. Bam. What do you guys think? Comparison. Crazy. Alright guys, my phone's about to die, but we put the pads in. We put the pads in. We got new hardware here. We got meat now. I fished the brake sensor through here. Put it back on its clips. Put it back, close the door, put the cover on. That should be it. Not too hard. Just takes a little bit.
The next day.
What up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video, guys. I think I'm going to put this video with the DIY for the brakes. It's gonna be a short one, guys. But yeah, top of the morning, guys. It's Monday, the 24th of October, and we're on our way to Corona right now. So that you guys know, the F80 needs a lot more carbon. Like, the rear looks good, looks aggressive already, but the front, that should. You know what? I'm not even gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna wait till I get there, and then I'll let you guys know. So I ain't gonna bore you guys with the drive, and I can't really. The camera's picking up the sun, so it's gonna look a little blurry. But anyways, guys, I'm on my way. So once I get there, I'll show you guys what pieces I picked up. All right, guys, we got the package secured. I'll show you guys when I install. I'm gonna get going. I need gas ASAP. So we're about to head back home, install this today, and we'll upload the video today. All right, guys, I made it. Man, I'm always running low. Yeah, guys, so I made it. So we're gonna install some new parts today. Hopefully you guys like them. It's gonna be one step forward, finishing the outside. Trying to get splitters. My bad, I mean side skirts. And then I think the back for now is done. What do you guys think the rear? Does it look aggressive? Does it not? What would you guys do differently? Alright guys, so I'm about to drive home. I should be home in about an hour and 20 minutes. And then we'll get to installing this brand new piece to the M3. And hopefully you guys like it. Personally, I like it. It's real nice. I'm just gonna need one more piece to complete the look for the front. And actually a few more pieces. But it should look good regardless. I think the front looks a little like off. It doesn't look aggressive. Unless these pieces are put on, then it looks real good. It's almost like a facelift. All right, guys, just made it back to the house. I'm gonna go change real quick, put some work clothes on, and we'll put the new parts in. All right, guys, here's what the M3 looks like right now, and I'm gonna show you guys what we have in the box. I just gotta clean them up. Let's go. Horizon Motorsports splitters. Alright, what do you guys think? Fire or what? I'm just fitting it right now. That's how it looks without it. I think it looks sick. I got new ones of these because these are all faded, so I'll take that off right now. And then these I'm just fitting them. Make sure it's cool, clean it up, and get some 3M tape and just stick it on there. I got a couple screws I gotta put, but I'm almost done. So this is what it was on there before. It's all faded. Previous owner probably. Bunch of glue. It was time to change this out, but we got new ones. That one had a break, but it looks good. Nothing's messed up, so I gotta go get some more 3M tape and prep the new ones and get everything on. Alright guys, so these are the old ones. Look how faded they were. I don't know why I waited so long to change them. But anyways, they're getting changed today, so that's the most important thing for me. So look at it, check it out, it's all dirty. And look at the new one. So this is the new one right here, guys. Shiny. See, the old one didn't have this, so I don't know if this goes in the bottom or what, but man, carbon fiber boys looking fire. Alright guys, so I guess it is a different style. See, this one is the old one and it's flat on both sides. This one's from Horizon Motorsports, and this one goes like this, and it has these like little grooves on the. It looks sick. I mean, I don't know. It's different. I don't know how I feel about them yet. I think once I put them on, we'll see. My boy came through with some M3 tape, guys. Shout out my boy Brandon. So we got this going. Should be good enough. And then we'll just put it right here. And that's it. And then we'll start at the bottom. I already took the bottom skirting off. And we'll put that one on right now. And look how aggressive it looks now. So yeah guys, so it's only with 3M tape, and then it has I think one screw on each side, and then it's all 3M. I think it looks good. It looks decent. I just need that other lip, lower the car, and I think I should be good. Alright guys, well thanks for watching.